More details about the ongoing border tension between India and China in eastern Ladakh have come out. A recent report says that 40 armed Chinese soldiers have reached near the Indian post under the cover of night. In the photos that have emerged, Chinese soldiers are seen with spears, machetes, and even with rifles slung on their back. This leads us to think whether China is planning a Galvan model attack again. On Tuesday, the Indian Army responded hours after the claim of the Chinese Army that Indian troops opened fire along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh on the night of September 7. The Indian Army said it was the Chinese troops who attempted to close in with one of our forward positions along the line of actual control on Monday night. And when dissuaded by our troops, the PLA troops fired a few rounds in the air in an attempt to intimidate our troops. China claimed that Indian troops had illegally crossed the LAC near Pangong Tso. Accordingly, Chinese troops had to take countermeasures to stabilize the situation. Anyhow, the firing on the LAC has happened for the first time in 45 years. The Indian Army added that despite the severe provocation, the Indian troops exercised great restraint and behaved in a responsible manner. India has been constantly trying to de-escalate the tensions evolved along the border. Since 1975, no shots have been fired along the disputed India-China border. Indian Army is committed to maintain peace and tranquility. At the same time, it is also determined to protect national integrity and sovereignty at all costs, the Army spokesperson has asserted. The Army sources also said that as the Chinese Army is armed with stick machetes, Indian soldiers are not allowing the Chinese Army to come close in order to avoid another violent face-off similar to what happened in Galvan Valley. Expecting that India and China would find a mutually acceptable solution through dialogues, Russia on Tuesday said the Shanghai Cooperation Organization could provide a platform for building mutual trust between India and China. Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, who has gone to Russia, will meet the Chinese Foreign Minister on Thursday. They will hold talks for de-escalation of tension and disengagement of troops in eastern Ladakh. Let's hope that this dialogue will help India and China sort out differences and restore peace along the border. News Desk, Kaumudi English.